Many things cause our skin to age. Some things are not in our control, but there are others that we can influence. Over time, it is natural for our skin to look thinner, paler, and form wrinkles. But with the right treatments, you can get a younger look. And if you already have a great skin, this will help you keep your precious skin for a long time. Today we are bringing you a do-it-yourself anti-aging treatment that actually works. Welcome to Ayuscope for a healthy and happier life. Step number 1. Cleanse your skin. Use grape juice as a cleanser. Grape juice has a lot of antioxidants and resveratrol, which helps act as a great remedy for getting your younger look you always wanted. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines that appear around the mouth and eyes. It also stretches the skin. Also, this works as a great skin cleanser. Step number 2. Scrub your face. Apply coffee powder and sugar mixture. Coffee powder has antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties that brighten, tighten, soften, and hydrate the skin. Also, this is one of the best natural scrubs for your skin to avoid wrinkles and fine lines. Step number 3. Massage your face. Massage your face with olive oil. This improves blood circulation for the face. Olive oil is rich in plant-based antioxidants, which help with reducing wrinkles, improve collagen, elastin, and make our skin healthy. Also keep in mind that exposing to sunlight while keeping olive oil on your skin will darken and can harm your skin. Step number 4. Apply face pack. Use blended carrot with almond oil. They help with lightening the black spots and give a nice glow to your skin. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, so they help prevent wrinkles and build new skin tissues. Researchers are showing that almond oil is slowing down the aging process, so this pack is very effective for anti-aging treatment. Step number 5. Tone your skin. You can use cucumber juice as a toner. Cucumber contains antioxidants that help your body fight free radicals. These free radicals affect your skin and cause premature aging by reducing your production of collagen and elastin. This toner will help you greatly to get your dream skin that you want. Step number 6. Use moisturizer. Apply almond oil and honey. You can use almond oil and honey for moisturizing your skin. Daily usage of moisturizer will slow down the skin getting aged. Using honey and almond oil are doubling this effect. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe for getting more videos like this. And always keep in your mind that health is at new age.